Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a VPN. A VPN, or Virtual Private Network, creates a secure, encrypted tunnel for your internet traffic. This shields your online activities from snoopers and protects your personal data from potential threats. It's an essential tool for maintaining your digital privacy, especially when you are using public Wi-Fi or accessing sensitive information. This setup ensures your browsing remains private. Selecting the right VPN provider is a critical first step for reliable protection. You will want a service that maintains a clear no-logs policy, meaning they do not track your online activity. Also, ensure they offer a robust network of servers worldwide and employ strong, industry-standard encryption. Check for their customer support availability, as good assistance can be invaluable. Once you have selected your VPN provider, the next step is straightforward installation. Navigate to their official website and download the application designed for your operating system, whether it is Windows, Mac OS, Android, or iOS. The installation process usually takes about 1 minute to 2 minutes. After installing, open the app and simply log in with your account credentials. With the app installed, connecting to a server is quick and easy. Launch the VPN application and you will likely see a large Connect button or a map. Browse the server list and select your desired location. Choose one geographically close for the fastest speeds. Remember to activate essential features, like a kill switch, which prevents data leaks if your VPN connection ever unexpectedly drops.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.